In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with Akave Cloud using MCP. By the end, you'll have Claude Desktop talking to your Akave Cloud setup through MCP, the Model Context Protocol that lets Claude safely use external tools and services. We'll do everything inside the Claude Desktop app and update a single configuration file. Keep your login details and any keys private and follow along carefully. First, open the Claude AI desktop application. Make sure you're on the desktop version, not the browser, because the settings we need live inside the app. If you haven't updated lately, it's a good idea to do that before you begin, so all developer features are available. Next, look to the lower left corner of the app window and click your profile. That's where Claude keeps the app-wide options and your account controls. From there, choose Settings. This opens a panel with general preferences and, importantly, the developer area we need. Inside Settings, click the Developer button. If you don't see a developer section, update the app and relaunch it. The developer view is where Claude exposes configuration controls for tools, extensions, and MCP connections. Now, click Edit Config. This will take you to the configuration area for the desktop app and point you to the file Claude reads on startup. You're looking for a file named Claude Desktop Config JSON. If the app doesn't open it automatically, locate and open that file with a plain text editor. Before you change anything, make a quick backup copy so you can roll back if needed. With Claude Desktop Config.json open, you're ready to paste your Akave Cloud MCP configuration. Retrieve the MCP snippet provided by Akave Cloud's documentation or dashboard. This usually includes the server definition, any required parameters, and how Claude should talk to it. Paste it into the appropriate MCP section of the SHN, keeping the structure intact. Watch your commas, brackets, and quotes. JSON is strict, and a single typo can prevent the app from loading your tools. Never paste raw secrets or tokens into the wrong place. Use only the values Akave Cloud instructs you to use, and keep them private. Save the file and return to Claude Desktop. Your MCP connection should now be recognized. If you don't see changes right away, a quick app restart can help. When everything is set, Claude may show the new Akave Cloud tool or capabilities associated with your MCP connection during your next chat. That's it. You opened Claude Desktop, navigated to Settings, entered the developer area, edited the config, opened Claude Desktop Config.json, and pasted your Akave Cloud MCP configuration. Handle the file carefully, keep a backup, and you'll be connected in minutes.